Dear students, today I am going to teach you the outbreak of the revolution. In France of the old regime, the monarch did not have the power to impose taxes according to his will alone. Rather, he had to call a meeting of the States General, which would then pass his proposal for new taxes. The State General was a political body to which the three states sent their representatives. However, the monarch alone could decide when to call a meeting of this body. The last time it was done was in 1614. On 5th May 1789, Louis XVI called together an assembly of the states general to pass proposal for new taxes. नए टैक्स लगाने के लिए लुइस 16 ने एक मीटिंग बुलाया. इस resplendent hall in Versailles was prepared to host the delegates. The first and second states sent 300 representatives each, who were seated in rows facing each other on two sides. वहाँ 300 प्रतिनिधि पहुँचे और वे एक दूसरे की तरफ फेस करके बैठे थे. While the 600 members of the third state had to stand at the back, और 600 लोगों को पीछे खड़े रहना पड़ा. The third state was represented by its more prosperous and educated members. लेकिन ये थर्ड स्टेट वाले जो लोग थे ये दे वेर मोर प्रॉस्परस, ज़्यादा समृद्ध और वेल एजुकेटेड थे. पीजेंट्स, आर्टिसंस एंड वुमेन वेयर डिनाइड एंट्री टू द असेंबली. और वहाँ के लोग जो थे आर्टिसंस और वुमेन वेयर डिनाइड एंट्री टू द असेंबली. असेंबली में प्रवेश करने से मना कर दिया. However, their grievances and demand were listed in some 40,000 letters which the representatives had brought with them. 40,000 लेटर वो प्रतिनिधि लेकर के आए हुए थे जिनमें काफ़ी कड़ा विरोध किया गया था. Voting in the States General in the past had been conducted according to the principle that each state had one vote. This time too Louis XVI was determined to continue the same practice, but member of the third state demanded that voting now be conducted by the assembly as a whole, where each member would have one vote. इस बार यह प्रस्ताव रखा गया कि प्रत्येक प्रतिनिधि वोट डालेंगे और उनका वैल्यू एक वोट होगी. दिस was one of the democratic principles put forward by philosophers like Rousseau in his book The Social Contract. When the king rejected this proposal, members of the third state walked out of the assembly in protest. तो उसके विरोध में, बिल के विरोध में लोगों ने असेंबली को छोड़ करके और बाहर चले गए. The representatives of the third state viewed themselves as spokesmen for the whole French nation. On 20 June, they assembled in the hall of an indoor tennis court in the grounds of Versailles. They declared themselves a nation assembly and swore not to disperse till they had drafted a constitution for France that would limit the power of the monarch. They were led by Mirabeau and F.C. Mirabeau was born in a noble family but was convinced of the need to do away with a society of feudal privilege. He brought out a general he brought out a journal and delivered powerful speeches to the crowds assembled at Versailles. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood the outbreak of the revolution.